Hello, and welcome to Graceful Financial Solutions, the credit restoration experts and business credit builders. In this presentation, we will be talking about how to build business credit totally separate from your personal credit. The best kept secret in the business credit world is that you can have a new business credit file totally separate from your personal credit file. Business schools don't teach this, trade schools don't teach it, and banks are definitely not in the business of giving out this information that corporations or LLCs can have its own credit file totally separate from your personal credit. It is a 100% legal way to restart your personal credit life with a new, clean credit file in the name of a business, or even for a business owner to achieve asset protection. Just in case something happens, it doesn't come back on them personally. You plan for the worst, but you hope for the best. A business credit file can qualify for business loans, leases, credit lines without harming your personal credit scores. You can get business credit on its own merits without lenders or vendors ever looking at your personal credit report, asking for your personal social security number, or even for a personal guarantee. Not knowing how to build your business credit file the right way is the reason why 97% of all business loan applications are declined, because having an excellent business credit score is the key that will unlock the vast amount of business finance opportunities. Now, there are two parts to that business credit finance opportunity. One is knowing how to build and maintain an excellent credit score. Two is knowing where to go to use your new business credit score to obtain financing. You can't have one without the other. Know how to build a credit file, but also know how to use it. Your business credit score ranges from 0 to 100, where 80 in the business credit world is similar to a 750 in the personal credit world. 80 is an excellent and perfect business credit score. At Graceful Financial Solutions, we have a 3-step credit building program that can help build your business to be strong enough to obtain business credit on its own, and also have a perfect business credit score within 3 months or less, guaranteed. Step 1 is to take your company through our compliance check. This means to make sure your company meets all the underwriting criteria before you apply. We have a complete 24-step compliance check to make sure your company does not get red flagged. For example, incorporation filing. You have to check if filed correctly or even at all the levels. If it's not filed, we can file it for free. Because if it's not filed correctly, you can get denied for business credit. Online presence. You have to make sure your business has an online presence. If you don't have a website or even a real email address with your company email, you can get denied for having business credit in just the name of your business. Directory listings. You have to make sure your company is listed in the directory listings, 411, Yellow Pages, Google, Yahoo, etc. If you're not listed, because the underwriters will look your company up, you can get denied for business credit in just the name of your business. A business identity. You must have a real business address, a real landline phone number. Underwriters can look your address up in Google Maps, and if the details are not complete, you can get denied for business credit in just the name of your business. A business license. You must have a business license for an estate or city where your business primarily operates. A business bank account. You must have a business bank account, or you can get denied for business credit in just the name of your business. The list goes on, and if you miss just one of them, you can get denied for getting business credit in just the name of your business. Step 2 is to get the company registered with the major credit bureaus such as Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, etc. Unless you register, you never start the development of your business credit profile. You could be a 20-year-old company but still be at day 1 when it comes to business credit. There are 3 birthdays to a company: the date that you incorporated, the date that you open a bank account, and also the date that you registered with the major credit bureaus. Finally, step 3 is to obtain business credit in just the name of your business. We will use our strong relationships with numerous vendors and lenders nationwide to build your business credit file and obtain business financing without using your personal credit. We use a stair-step method at where once level 1 is obtained, we can now advance to level 2. Once level 2 is established, we can now advance to level 3, etc., etc. Here's an example of a business credit report with Dun & Bradstreet of a client that started in January, and 3 months later, we pulled it in April. And within 3 months, this client had a perfect credit score of an 80 Paydex. Then we continued to build upon this file to become stronger and stronger, and it was able to obtain more and more financing totally separate from your personal credit. The type of credit you will qualify for is vendor accounts like this one here with Sunoco, or even MasterCards and Visas accounts, for example here with Sears. Here's an example to understand the importance of building business credit. Let's say you spent $1,500 in building your business credit file up to a perfect credit score, and your goal was to obtain a $100,000 loan in just the name of your business. Well, let's say you went from a 13% rate to a 7% rate just because you had a perfect business credit score. You will save over $400 a month, and over the term of a 10-year loan, almost $40,000. The program itself would have paid for itself within the first 4 months. And if you spent 40 hours and working on business credit yourself, let's say you did it over the next 6 to 12 months, well, you would have paid yourself $983 an hour. How do I get started? Go to gracefulfinancial.com, click on Let's Get Started, and complete the questionnaire, and a credit consultant will help you from there. Or give us a call, 1-800-733-6170, 1-800-733-6170. Graceful Financial Solutions, because he has been so graceful to us.